Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for tuning in. Here you can find unboxing, hauls, product reviews, home decor and more. In today's video, I just want to share with you this Chanel purchase. So let's start with these small bags right here. And let's see, I have two small boxes here, okay? So I'm gonna check this one. Is this one right here. So I actually did a clip of unboxing. It's in the reel in my Instagram. So go ahead, feel free and check it out my Instagram and you can see there the reel. Okay, let's see which one is this one. Here we go. Ooh, it is so pretty. So I have this one right here. Let me get it close. It is so sparkly. Yeah, this is a piece that I wanted for so long. I had never seen it in person, never, but I see it in other people. I see it in social media and it looked beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. For the first time when I went to the boutique, I think it was in the 22C collection or P collection, that my CA invited me to stop by and see the collection and see some stuff that they have, try some ready to wear pieces, which is like up there. But I saw this. And you know those lighting that they have in the room, if you don't know, they have beautiful lighting, okay? Make this like a super sparkler. And I think it kind of like a beautiful. It will go with absolutely anything. Let me take it out and try it on. It looks so, so beautiful. I want this for so long, but... And it's a shame because I had to tell you, I wanted for like, I say a year or a little bit more. And at that time when I saw it, it was, I mean, this thing is not like the great price at all. But actually I purchased for a little bit more of what I saw it the first time. But it's so pretty. Let's try it here very quick. It is so nice. I think we made anything. If I had to say something, you need one. You really don't need it, but if you want one brush from Chanel, you should get this one because this one is definitely will go with absolutely everything and it will make it so nice and so chic. This is like very nice one. So let's leave it here. But in the meantime, I'm gonna open the other bags. So I have here all the ribbon and the camellia and all that. So she gave me, of course, it's two because the two little boxes. She gave me the ribbon with the camellia that go in the little box and the one here in the back. Okay, this one is a pair of earrings. Let me take this one off so you guys can see when I put it on. Okay. And it's these bags right here. There you go. You can maybe not see this one very good here because the lighting, but these one are stunning. This is so pretty. Let me take it out. Obviously I want this one more for like, because they very simple, they are small but they sparkle a lot, more for like very, like, how I say, oh, you can see in the back had a little, let me see if you can see it, in the bottom had a little stamp They're very sparkly, more for like more fancy dinner or when you dress up and you don't want to like, you know, like go crazy with the earrings. Let me see, you can see right here. They're very, very, very nice and I love them. They had a necklace and everything, but I want something smaller because I had this one that they sparkle a lot too, but they're in the bigger size, so I want something smaller, more simple, something like this, but it still kind of like get a little bit of attention when it sparkle. And I think this one is the right one. Right now, let's check these bags. This is a good one. Let me see. It's a little heavy. I wonder if I grabbed the right one. Got this one right here. Let's put it back. It looks so cute. Okay. I'm gonna open it right away and then I'm gonna explain to you a little bit. There you go. Yeah, it's heavy. I don't know why it's so heavy. Again, I have the unboxing of this one in my Instagram. Okay, here we go. This is from the 21K, I think. The color is amazing. It's a beautiful, nice light beige. It's not a pink at all, but it's like light beige. Look like we have this compartment right here for the car, the zipper here, and something that I like from this one is a caviar leather, and I found out that I'm able to fit my phone. I had the Plus, the new one that come out, and you're able to close it with no problem. Right now you have all the paper. You're able to close it with no problem, and I was thinking it maybe put a little chain in the zipper, actually, to make it like especially with the price going up of the Chanel wallet on chain. I was planning to buy one, but I feel so hard for me. I feel so bad having to pay with the price increase the wallet on chain. So I'm planning to make this one a wallet on chain, put like a card in there, open the hole and put the chain in there, and you can put it as do a crossbody, like a wallet, like in a belt, kind of like it. So I decided for this one, I saved some money in this one too because I had points on Norby Club too. And then I called, and what I spent, it was a double point for that time. So I always get point when I know I'm gonna spend like that. I use the point that I have, plus I call and they give me double point for that portion specific when it's a little bit too much. So this is the items, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any question, let me know. I will be more than happy to answer them. Remember to share this video. Remember to press the like button and leave me your comment down below. Don't forget to smile because you are beautiful, and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.